Hello, William Williams, Philippines. It is Monday, Memorial Day, May 26th, 2025, at about 10 afternoon, 12. Hey, hope everybody's having a good day. For those that have it off, I hope you're enjoying it. For those that don't, I hope it's not too bad. Uh, Actually ended up getting an hour of overtime. Yay. It's a good thing. But my inner vampire is telling me nasty stories, and, well, didn't so much mind getting the overtime because, oh yeah, it rained overnight, and so I'm not doing the mowing. Yeah, life goes on. Try tomorrow. It is what it is. Anyway, I got in touch with Amazon. They won't match the price that they did. So I got in touch with Apple. They wouldn't match it, but they came closer. So thank you, Apple. Apple Care. Uh, Luna, thank you. And then I tried to get an app for my, yeah. And my credit card company said, no, hang on, you're in a strange place. When I actually go to buy something, I got to remember to make sure my VPN is sending me to my normal place in Dallas so that everybody doesn't freak out. Because when you try to spend money in strange places on the internet that you're not physically at, and I know I'm not physically at Dallas, but, well, that's where everything dumps out. So it is what it is. And that's okay. Um, but I had to take and call and get the fraud alert took off. And then when I tried to do it again, it did the same loop. I guess I was too fast. The computers hadn't updated yet. I don't know. Anyway, it's been a fairly interesting day. Tech support has been very helpful, with the exception of Amazon. And Amazon has me literally thinking Walmart. Yeah. And my friends that know me would be going, are you running a fever? Because I don't like Walmart. And Amazon's got me at that point. So, yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I got a few things taken care of. And that's a good thing. Now I want some more food. I'm hungry. Even though I sat down first thing got here about 3 hours ago and ate me a big bowl of chili, venison chili. Good stuff. Yeah. And something that I wasn't expecting was that it actually came out spicier and tasting better than when I cooked it and ate it the first time. And yeah, the freezer did it some good. That's a great thing. But yes, Bambi chili. Oh. And yeah, what is it with folks and saying fine? Oh, you're fine. Uh huh. Effed individual needing evaluation. Fragged individual needing evaluation. Yeah, really don't like that word. But a lot of people love using it. toss it around like it's just, day at the end of something. I don't know. It is what it is. But I had some good conversations and got some things taken care of. So, yay. Now I get to take care of and do more stuff. I'm going to try to get a couple more things done while I'm getting this put in the can. But yes, the tech support uh, with these things is Apple's got some good folks working at that place. I may not agree much with Apple's proprietary and only hours idea, but I can honestly say their stuff works, and they actually, if you mess it up, they will come help you fix it. So, yay, tech support and Apple. And I've got friends that probably thinking I'm completely off my Fruit Loop here because of saying that. Because quite honestly, yeah, I've got that. And they thought I was crazy when I did that. I'd lost my mind because they've heard me cuss at Apple. Well, it's not because of Apple's product, it's the proprietary, only ours thing I don't like. And I don't really like the way they just, that they do their privacy. But it's better than the way Google and Samsung and Microsoft do your privacy. And nowadays, if you really want privacy, do you own a phone that isn't a landline? Seriously? Uh, Quite honestly, I'm half tempted to go back to a landline. It's the more I find out about what's going on with computers and phones. Sorry, my inner self wants to go snore. It's that time of day. It's a good day. But yeah, trying to get things taken care of. I managed to get some of it done. Guess I wasn't supposed to get all that done. It's teaching me to be prepared for the Philippines, where you plan a week to get something done and hope it only takes 2 weeks, and then be thankful if it only actually takes one day. So, yay! Don't stress it. But I can say honestly, Amazon has me wanting to go do my shopping at Walmart. And that's bad. Because, yeah, I really don't like Walmart. But it is what it is. Uh, yeah, I'm a bit on the tired and distracted side at this point. I really need to call it a day because I'm trying to fall asleep. Sorry about that. I'm trying to fall asleep sitting here. And it's been a long day, and my get up, go, got up, went, and didn't even think about leaving the forwarding address. It is what it is. Hopefully tomorrow it won't rain. It rained enough this morning, so hopefully the dust will be down for a few days. And I can get out there and get the backyard mowed. Front yard's okay. Backyard, got it to work. Needs the work. Oh, does it need the work? So, yay. It is what it is. Oy. I don't know about y'all, but yeah, I'm ready for this to be done. I'm tired. So, Williams, Philippines, lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family, and yes, again, more food. Later blessings and bye bye. I'm fishing. Fish is out.